Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your base knob into your cup holder. This is an alternative for those of you who don't have any blanks on your panel. You want to start off by making a little dot in the center. We recommend the side closest to your shifter. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a 1/4 inch drill bit and make a hole right where I made that mark. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take apart my base knob so I can insert it into my blank. That comes off. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take my needle nose pliers and I'm going to loosen up this nut right here. Alright, so now that this nut right here is loosened, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to bend these little tabs a little bit so I can slide out my base knob. Just like that. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and take a marker and mark about halfway on my base knob and I'm going to cut it in half. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove this nut and one of the washers that is on the base knob. Alright, so now that my nut and washer are removed, I'm going to use these exposed threads and they will thread into the hole that I drilled. And I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. I want to make sure I make it tight but not too snug to where I strip it. Okay, so now I'm going to make sure it turns freely and turn it all the way to the right, and then I'm going to take the cover and the little dot on it, I'm going to put it in about the 5 o'clock position.